Everybody's talking about the new Figma MCP, but they forgot one thing. You need a Figma file to start. If you don't have one, it can't help you. I found something that can. I've been using Cloud Code for months, so I tested both. First, we need to install the Figma MCP in the project. So here I have a file .mcp.json, and this is the code that we need to install it. We need to authenticate Figma. So I type MCP, and as you can see, Figma needs authentication. So I click here and I click authenticate, and now it's going to open the window. Authentication success. So normally we're good. Now I go to Figma and I have this file that I get from the community, and this is a dashboard. I just have to click here and copy link to selection. And as you can see, the MCP is enabled. So go back to cursor, and here I'm going to say, can you please develop this design, this dashboard as a React app? And I paste this and let's go. So now here's a picture of the dashboard with all the elements. Say it's ready. So let's check. Okay. Not bad. This is great if you have a designer. Designer makes the file, you connect it, and done. Personally, I never know where to click. I have a sense of design, but this is a nightmare for me. So the MCP can't help you if you don't have a designer. Even if you have design skills like me, you don't know where to click. So I started looking for something else, a tool where I can describe what I want in Cloud Code and it designed it for me. And I also wanted it to, if I want to make change, to be able to describe them, to prompt them in Cloud Code, and the tool will make the changes. And I found Pencil. So it's actually free. You need to download the application and it will configure automatically the MCP. And you also have a cursor of VS Code extension. So if we go back to cursor and that we tap MCP, we can see that Pencil is connected. So in the extension, I have also activated the Pencil extension. And now if we go to Pencil in the application, okay, this is the design I did before, you connect Cloud Code here. You can also connect codecs and everything. And as you can see here, we can type and design here, but we're going to do it from Cloud Code. Can you design an application dashboard in dark mode with a slightly brutalist design, not cookie cutter, and with a teal highlight color? Now you can see it's opening Pencil, and now we can see it designing in real time, which is really great. Et voila, we have a really nice dashboard design. Now we can make modifications here also with a visual editor, but again, we have to click around, which I don't really like. So here I can ask, or I can do it from Claude, but it's connected to my Max Plan. So I can ask, can you change the color to red, the highlight color, please? Now it's red. You also have design kits, so you can ask to use one design kit or another. So this is really helpful if you don't have instinct for design. And now we are going to ask Claude to develop this. Can you develop the dashboard that we have designed with Pencil into a React app? And this is the result. So this is really good. With the Figma MCP, I needed a design first. With Pencil, I start from nothing. I describe what I want and I get a design and the code. The Figma MCP is great if you have a design team or if you are yourself a designer. They design, you connect, clean code. Pencil, you're on your own, no designer. Describe what you want, correct it by prompt, it creates it. Both real tools, but for my workflow, Pencil won. You need a dev seat with Figma, which is $50 a month, which makes sense. If you're already a designer, you have it. But if not, Pencil is really bad. Figma MCP is great if you're a designer or if you have a design team. Otherwise, choose Pencil. It's free and it can generate the design for you. And if you need my help to help you in your business, you can book a free strategy call in the link below. And if you want to learn Cloud Code, N8N in depth, even have me as coach in a community of builders, join the early AI Developers community. The link is also in the description. And finally, if you like my content, please subscribe, like, drop a comment, and tell me what you want to see in the next one. À bientôt!